I'm gonna light myself on fire with fireworks.
Hey, no, not like that.
Not buggy.
What are you doing? Light the fireworks.
Hold on.
Oh shit! I think I'm bleeding. Oh!
I think I'm
That's a
deaf
lot worse than
now.
I thought it would.
Are you done?
Wow.
Get my legs. Oh, it hurts so bad. Oh my god. Oh. Somebody hit me in the glasses. Oh. Yeah. I thought it was never gonna end. I couldn't hear anything.
Holy crap.
All I could do is jump around.
The jumper.
I thought you were gonna be dancing, Clayton.
That's how you do it.
I was.